Hey everybody, Jeff here. Hey, wanted to give you an update here on this Ridgid fan here. So this is their 18 volt cordless hybrid fan. This kit comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery and it is currently $69. So it's $59 off of their normal suggested retail price here. So they're giving us a 46% savings. Now this is probably the cheapest of these type of fans that we've seen in this class. Now you guys saw that back in, I think it was either March or April when I bought the DeWalt job site fan. And we did a tool review on that as well. And you can see a little bit of it here on the screen here. Put a link to that video down below in the video description if you want to go and see it. I'll also put the Home Depot affiliate product links down on the description for you below. And as you know, anytime we generate links for you folks, we get a commission off them, a small commission. And that's what helps our channel. That's what enables us to be able to continue to buy more tools to give you more product reviews. And so we appreciate your support on that. Now they're being really cryptic here about what type of battery life you can expect with this 1.5 amp hour. I can't imagine you're going to get a lot of time with that thing. But when you scroll down here and you look, they're telling you that you're getting extended runtime with over 45 hours if you use their 5.0 amp hour battery. And they've got a specific model number there for it to use. Now on that DeWalt job site fan tool review that I provided the link for you down below in the description, we tested it, and with the 1.5 amp hour battery that comes with the kit, we got about 3 hours of runtime. And when we used a 6 amp hour flex volt battery, the DeWalt fan ran for about 13 hours. And they're also claiming that it's 475 CFM. You know, I haven't measured it, I haven't looked at it, I haven't even bought this fan. But I'm always skeptical when they give these CFM numbers because even when we measured the DeWalt fan, we didn't quite get the same CFM as what they claimed on the box. Now, the DeWalt kit, when we bought it, it was on sale in April for $99 for the fan and the battery. So you're getting a bigger capacity battery with the DeWalt kit. And I believe the DeWalt kit may have gone back up now. Let's take a look. So getting back to the Ridgid fan, I mean, this here is a really good buy. And I believe at Lowe's we saw the Cobalt fan. So if you come over here to Lowe's and look, I mean, the Cobalt fan is priced way big for its britches also, $99 tool only. They just came out with that new mister, which I saw it in our store for the first time right before Labor Day. They had it in there. And we did also the review of the Ryobi misting fan as well that we put up a few weeks ago. So you'll definitely want to check that one out as well. That was a great, nice little fan. And I'm sure all of these are probably in the same kind of class, the same range of capabilities. And I'm sure they're all equally as rugged if you drop them. And then here further down you'll see there's the Craftsman versions, $59, priced a little bit more sanely. And Lowe's actually sells the DeWalt job site fan by itself, tool only, for $119. We have seen it on sale at Lowe's also 6 months ago for $75. When they do it, it's usually for like a week or so and then it goes right back up again. They probably do it to clear out the stock, and then when it comes back in again, they put it back on sale. Okay, now I wanted to show you, we did a couple of live streams yesterday. This one here, the second one that shows the 175 off, here we showed you that incredible deal on that DeWalt hammer drill that comes with 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard carry case. And we showed you exactly what you have to do and where you have to find it, and how to score this deal, because it's $319 online, but at our store it was $144, which is what most people are reporting. Some people are reporting $200, but mostly you can get it in the 144 range, and that's a screaming steal, because to get this kit for 144, you're paying less than the price of one of the two 5-amp batteries that comes in this kit. So you're essentially getting that whole thing for $175 off. But it's very elusive, and you're going to have to go to a couple of different Lowe's to find it. Also, the other night we put up this video here showing our initial unboxing and review of the DeWalt 3-tool woodworking kit. Another great kit for $299 with 3 excellent tools in it. That's only available at Lowe's, and it's only available up top. You have to know where to go to look for it. And again, we show you in that video as well. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.